making counter allegations in family courts. This is a really big thing to consider. I quite often encounter people who come to me after having used solicitors, and there have been fact-finding cases that have in effect gone against them. And when I've asked them, did you make any counter allegations? They've said, no, I was advised not to. And then they've detailed that there was quite a few things that had happened in that relationship that were really unhealthy, like being shouted at, being attacked, being controlled. And they'd normalised that behaviour, not thought to raise it. And therefore, the court thinks that the other person's whiter and white because they didn't make those allegations and they were advised not to, because it was felt like that would be a mudslinging exercise. But the case has then gone on to go very negatively or much more difficult to turn around. So this is something that I think is a really big thing to consider. You can stand up for yourself from a self-loving perspective and name your truth and reality without it being mudslinging. You can do it in a way that uses gentle but respectful and truthful language, and it may well significantly influence a social worker or a judge when they're looking at things and thinking, well, both people's behaviour in that relationship wasn't quite ideal, really. And it's a really difficult case, the way that fact-finding is made. It's a risky, blunt tool. As a judge would say, it's a blunt tool to resolve an issue, but it's certainly something to think about deeper and understand and think about. Obviously, these are all decisions you need to make as a litigant in person. Nobody should make them for you as a McKenzie friend, and I wouldn't. But it's something that I think is a helpful consideration for you to do, and I'm making that observation based on encountering people who it's gone wrong for when they haven't made counter allegations that they could reasonably have done so in order to state their own truth. So I hope you find that helpful. If you need help considering whether to make counter allegations in your case, give me a call on 07906 956 035, and I wish you all the best.